How to make this viral Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift edit with any person or any car. And the crazy part is, this used to be extremely hard. I spent hours trying to figure it out. But once you understand the exact method, it becomes ridiculously easy. So don't skip anything, because one small mistake will ruin the result. Let's do it step by step. First, you need the original video that you want to edit. And cut that part of the video that you want to edit. So here is mine, only a 4 to 5 second part. Then go to any AI platform like Kling, InVideo, or Higgsfield. In my case, I am using Higgsfield. And go to the image section. Here you can see I already created 2 types of images, which I use to make 2 videos. So first, you need to take a screenshot of the frame where the person and the car are completely visible and attach it here. And then the object or vehicle you want to replace with, like Batman car, get it from Google and add that image here also. And copy-paste exactly same prompt, like replace the car in photo 1 exactly with the one from photo 2. And select Nano Banana Pro and select your aspect ratio. And hit generate. After some time, you will get your image. Image looks perfectly fine. Download it. Now go to the video section and then switch to edit video. Here, attach your original video that part you want to replace with, like this video. Then in the image, upload your Batman generated image. Then use this prompt like, replace the orange car in the video at the rate and suggestions. You will get your video. Select it with the Batman car in the image. Select your image. Then this is important. Select Model Kling 3.0 Omni Edit. If you don't have access, select Kling 01 Video Edit. Select resolution 1080p and hit generate. Oh wow, we got our video, which looks perfect. Download it. Now open any video editor in phone or PC anywhere. First, add your original video part. When the editing part comes, just add your generated video and export it. That's it. And this is exactly how people are going viral on YouTube and Instagram right now, by making these edits. Some creators are getting millions of views, just from simple replacement videos like this. So if you want more tutorials like this, keep subscribing.